What to store in plastic storage containers. Ideal for clothes storage, clear containers with locking lids can be stored in the attic, basement, or garage until it's time to switch out your wardrobe when the seasons change. Just make sure you don't store plastic near anything too hot such as a furnace or stove. There are several storage options for these items. You can use accessory boxes to store scarves, gloves, hats, chunky jewelry, and hosiery, but these boxes can also hold other small items. Some ideas include small tools, cables and wires, desk accessories, toys, and travel toiletries. Since these items tend to be heavy, use these more heavy-duty plastic containers to store them in your garage, on your patio, in the shed, or any other outdoor storage space you have. This will keep these items protected and close to where you will actually use them. An extra-large file tote box should be large enough to fit files for a household of up to 2 people. Once you begin adding new people, you probably need to graduate to an actual file cabinet. A great, multi-use storage option for these items is a 22-gallon plastic storage container. They are roomy enough to fit more than a hat, while being small enough to easily carry. Perfect for storing scrapbooking papers and other crafting materials. Flat, shorter boxes will fit in any closet or storage space. Use them for gift wrapping materials, craft materials, and school supplies. Sweater storage is a delicate art. Sweaters, typically made of cotton, wool, or cashmere, aren't content to just sit around in any old box during the hot summer months. They need to breathe and be protected from the elements. Deep, plastic storage boxes ensure you won't cram sweaters or coats on top of each other to fit them all in, and the plastic construction will protect the fabric from dust and humidity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.